Hey boys and girls, Mrs. Hughes here. The past 2 days for our read aloud time, we have learned about the genre or the type of books called poems. Well, poems are special because they have rhythm and rhyme. Rhythm is the beat of the poem, and rhyme are words that sound the same at the end. You've been practicing that a lot with Mrs. Dockery, do you remember? I also have a song from Jack Hartman that is absolutely so much fun about rhyme, and I attached that link underneath this video today. So we're going to practice by rereading Kindergarten Kids, 3 of those 3 poems that we've been reading this week. Rereading is so important because it helps you understand what you're reading. Understand the meaning of it and the different parts of what you're reading. And so today we're going to focus on the rhythm and the rhyme that you hear in the 3 poems that we are highlighting out of this book called Kindergarten Kids by Stephanie Colmanson, and the illustrations, the pictures, are by Melissa Sweet. So remember, rhythm is the beat, like music, and rhyme are words that sound the same at the end. Remember on our chart here, like cat, rat, and hat, they all end in the sound at. So that's what we're listening for today. The first poem is called Puzzled on page 10. I'm going to read it, and as I'm reading, I want you to listen carefully for the rhyming words, okay? So here we go. And I'll pause, and I'll say them. Puzzled. Do you just want to quit sometimes? Too hard, too hard. These pieces don't fit. I'm puzzled by this puzzle. I really want to quit. Did you hear the rhyming words? Fit, quit, fit, quit. Does that rhyme? Yes, that rhymes, that rhymes. All right, here's the next part. Don't give up, I tell myself. Keep trying, you'll do fine. Look for all the clues you can. Color, story, shape, size, line. Did you hear the rhyming words? Fine and line. Fine line, fine line. That rhymes, that rhymes. In your workbook on page 10, there's a rhyming page, and you have to figure out what words rhyme. So these things that we're doing today will help you with that page. Here's the next part. I take a breath, I look again, colors match. I see a square. The pieces fit together. They go there, there, and there. You hear the rhyming words? Square, there. Say it with me. Square, there, square, there. Does that rhyme? That rhymes, that rhymes. It's the last part. So easy, so easy. I did it. Puzzle's done. I'm ready for another. I want a harder one. Did you hear the rhyming words on that? Done, one. You say it. Done, one. Does that rhyme? Yes, that rhymes, that rhymes. So we looked for the rhyming words. This time, I'm going to read through it, and I'm not going to stop for the rhyme. I want you to listen for the rhythm or the beat of the poem. And the beat is the rhythm, and the rhythm is the beat. So here we go. Too hard, too hard. Pieces don't fit. I'm puzzled by this puzzle. I really want to quit. Don't give up, I tell myself. Keep trying, you'll do fine. Look for all the clues you can. Color, story, shape, line. I take a breath, I look again. Colors match, I see a square. The pieces fit together, they go there, there, and there. So easy, I did it! Puzzle's done. I'm ready for another, I want a harder one. Did you hear the rhythm? And did you hear the rhyme? Great work. Let's go to the next one. All right, boys and girls, I went ahead and I flipped to our next poem called, do you remember it? Oops. Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. The last poem, I read it twice. The first time we listened for rhyme, the second time we listened for rhythm. This time we're going to put those together and we're going to read this poem once, but I want you to listen for the rhythm and for the rhyme. Are you ready? Let's do this together. Okay. Anna dropped some crayons. She broke her favorite blue. Jamal was counting cups for juice. Oops, he left out two. Did you hear it? Did you hear both rhythm and rhyme? Yes. Blue too, that rhymes. And you heard the rhythm. Kiss your brain. Awesome. We're going to keep going. This time I'm just going to keep going to the very end, and I want you to listen for the rhythm and the rhyme. Michael overwatered our avocado tree. Now it's brown and droopy where green leaves used to be. Our music teacher missed a note. He played a silly tune. Our principal said good morning when it was afternoon. Oops and oops and oops again. Oh, for goodness sake. Don't feel bad. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. Great work, guys. Let's go back. Rewind. Tree and bee. Do you hear the rhyme? Tree, bee, that rhymes, that rhymes. And over here, it's tune and afternoon. Tune and noon. That rhymes, that rhymes. And then the last one, sakes and mistakes. Sakes and mistakes. They both end in aches. Do you hear the aches? You say sakes? Yeah, now say mistakes. Yeah, great work. Let's go to our next poem. All right, our last poem, Quiet Please. Being quiet isn't easy, is it? All right, so here we go. You're listening for the rhyme and the rhythm, or the rhythm and the rhyme. Here we go. Gab, gab, giggle, giggle, psst, psst, wiggle, wiggle, cough, sigh, hiccup, sneeze. Teacher says, quiet, please. One more giggle, one more sneeze. Eyes on your teacher, quiet, please. Did you hear it all? Yes. What about giggle? The word giggle rhymes with which word? Giggle. Wiggle. Do you hear it? You say it. Giggle, wiggle. Kiss your brain. You got it. That's the rhyme. The next one is sneeze. Do you remember what rhymes with sneeze? It says cough, sigh, hiccup, sneeze. Teacher asks quiet, please. What rhymes with sneeze? If you said please, you got it. Great work. The last one is sneeze, please again. Say it with me. Sneeze, please, sneeze, please. That rhymes, that rhymes. Great work with your rhyming and your rhythm today. I had a lot of fun doing it with you. See you later.